Never blackmail anybody with the information that I'm going to give in this video, and bear in mind that the information I'm giving in this video is only meant for educational purpose. Those of you that are watching this video, as you can see, this is my phone, and if you power it on, you'll see screen is locked. I have to put my password before I unlock it. But while you're looking at this phone is actually recording what I am talking right in this video, okay? But the screen is off, okay? The screen is not on, the screen is completely off. I have to put my password on my fingerprint before I can be able to unlock this phone, but it's recording via the front camera, and you can do this with the front or back camera. This is actually useful in case if you have a meeting with somebody or group of people that you actually don't trust and you want to record the visual communication with you and those people. You can actually set this and put your phone in front of your pocket while your phone screen is off. Your phone is not on, but your phone is recording all communication, not audio communication, but visual communication while you are having a meeting with those people that you don't trust. You can use this in many ways. You can use this while you're driving, or maybe you're in a particular environment where you're not comfortable with. You can actually on your back camera or on your front camera while your screen is off, and your phone will be recording all the video while people there will not know what is going on, okay? Now, for you to do this in your Android phone, all you need to do is come over to your phone and go to Play Store. I don't know if you're using an iPhone, you can actually check it in your iPhone, all right? Now, come over to your phone and go to Play Store. On your Play Store, go to search and search for BVR, okay? Video recorder. You can see it. Click here, and once you click here, see this particular one, this one, that is the one that you need to install. Open it and install it. I've already installed it, that is why it's showing open. Now, once you're done installing it, open, allow permission, allow, okay? Now, once you're done allowing it, open it. Now, once you open the app, over here you can see record button. Now, on top of here, you can see front. If you click here again, you will see it has changed to back. Okay, so you can record with your front or your back camera. So once I click on record, so now this phone is recording me, and if I click on back, the application has gone out from my phone screen, but it's still recording. So I can also lock my phone screen. You guys can see that my phone screen is locked. But now that my phone screen is locked, this same application is still running on the background and it's still recording. If I open it, if I open my phone, let me see. You guys can see that this is running on background and it's still recording. So you can actually off your phone, set it to front or back camera while your phone is recording, and keep your phone anywhere, and people will think that there's nothing that is happening while your phone is actually recording from your front or back camera. Now, if this video was helpful, make sure you like it and make sure you follow for more tips like this.